Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to attach files in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to attach files. Well, right here, as you can see, this is the interface of the group that I had created. Now let's simply look at how to send files. At the bottom left, you can see the plus icon right here, right next to message. Click on it right now. Once you do that, these things will open up. From here, do note that you can share files from camera, gallery. You can also share your location. But right now, all we're gonna do is click on this file button right here. Simply click on it. And as such, a new page will open up. From here, simply select the file that you wish to send. Let's say I want to send this file right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. And that is it. Once you click on it, you can simply attach files. Do note that you can also attach PDF, docx and other files as well. Well guys, as you can see, I am also sending a test file right here. And guys, this is it. This is how you attach files in Zangi. As you can see, the process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.